Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to incorporate new yarn crochet. Firstly, when your yarn is almost finished, stop knitting at the end of a row. For most patterns, you'll need about 3 to 4 times the width of your project in yarn to complete one more row. Leave a 5-inch tail of the old yarn. This makes it easier to weave in later. Take your new ball of yarn and start knitting normally, leaving another 5-inch tail from the new yarn. The first 2 stitches may feel a bit loose. That's normal. Gently tug both tails to tighten and close any gaps between stitches. After you've knitted about 10 stitches, and while they're still under the needle, tie the 2 yarn ends together in a loose knot. This keeps the joint secure without distorting the tension of your knitting. Once your project is done, untie the knot carefully using your fingers or a needle and thread one tail onto the tapestry needle and weave it into the wrong side of your work. Now do the same with the second tail, making sure the joint remains invisible. The result is a smooth, seamless transition between yarns. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.